Hi guys, are you interested in moving to Canada? This might just be your right or the great opportunity you have been waiting for. Academy Canada is starting a new program for international students, and this program is basically for 30 weeks. Guys, 30 weeks for anyone interested in personal care attendance for 30 weeks. That's the duration, and it's starting in September. So the application is ongoing, but the course is going to start in September 2025. Now, for those of you that need a very low tuition fee, this might just be your opportunity because this course is, the tuition fee is $3,500. It's very affordable, right? The juicy part with this school is that when you start or when you apply for it, you are eligible to get $4,300. And then after you complete the studies, you also get a grant, a bursary of 5,000. Guys, Canada is not just giving out money. This particular province needs a lot of hands for the elderly people, for caregiving. That is why they are bringing up this program to bring international people outside the Canada. But this particular one is for those outside Canada that want to come into Canada. So if your plan is to move to Canada or start a new life in Canada, then this might be your opportunity. And guess what? There are other courses also. For instance, you're not interested in personal care attendant, there are other courses also attached to this particular course. All right. So at the end of your study period, you're going to get a certificate of Diploma of Health and Human Science. And like I said earlier, is organized by Academy Canada. So I will walk you through to all what you need to get for you to apply for this particular course. So let's go on to how to achieve this. And before we dive into that, if you have not subscribed, subscribe to the Chiglo channel and like this video and just write a comment to encourage me, right? Yeah, so let's dive into the full detail of this. So, right, guys, this is how the page looks like for any of you interested, right? Personal care attendant, like I said earlier, this is organized by Academy Canada. You can apply here, but let's go to what you need before we go to the application. All right, like I said, it's 30 weeks duration, and the faculty is health and personal care. Your certificate at the end of the day is going to be Diploma of Health and Human Sciences. The first application, which is April, we're not booking this one. You're going to go for personal care attendant, which is going to start in 2025 September. All right, so I'm not going to read all this, but okay, just for a brief introduction, are you passionate and kind, patient? Do you truly enjoy helping others? If so, Academy Canada's personal care attendance program is for you. So you can read all this information for yourself to see what it entails. I've explained all this before, that the government of Newfoundland and Labrador announced recruitment and retention bonuses for personal care attendants in long-term care. New PCAs will be eligible to receive up to $4,300 to work in long-term care for a 1-year return in service commitment. So you can also read here for more information about this. The provincial government also offers student bursaries up to 5,000 in exchange for service committed after graduation. You can also read more of this information if you want to apply for it. There is no information that is waste, right? So if you really want to apply for this, then you need to read all the informations. Okay, program descriptions is basically this, and the program courses are what you're going to go through: foundation for practice, workplace safety. All right, so we're going to go through, these are what they're going to do for the period of 30 weeks. All right. So of course, employment opportunities. Upon successful completion of the personal care attendance program, graduates can apply for employment in acute and long-term care in regional health authority institutions, long-term care facilities, or private facilities. So whatever be your choice, you can apply to several places for employment. All right. So additional entrance requirements, these are very important. So these are the requirements that they need you to have. Applicants must submit two written letters of reference, no personal references. Okay. Certificate of conduct with the vulnerable sector, check from their local police department. Written verification of 20 volunteer service hours within the past 2 years. A one-page written personal statement. For applicants whose first language is not English, demonstration of English proficiency at a minimum of level 8 is required. So basically, this is what is required of you. All right, so uh, this is basically what is the page looks like. So let's go to apply now. When you click here, it shows this two. You need to apply for international application, not the first one. So this is how the page looks like, guys. It's very easy to apply for this school, right? It's just for you to fill these basic ones. Okay, basically it's very easy. Yeah, even yeah, this is how it looks like. So take your time to fill it up and get started already. All right, so if you are not also interested, like I told you earlier, for some of you that might not be interested in this particular course, so we can also go back to see other courses in this place. So there are other courses also that people might be interested in. So you can just go through these other ones here, uh, especially for some guys that don't like maybe anything but any health. They can pick any of the courses here for who they want. Occupational therapist assistant, okay, need technician, medical device reprocessing. All right, so massage therapy, hairstylist. So there are other courses also that you can also apply to for those that are not interested in this particular one. So guys, this application is already ongoing, and I didn't click to see where. Okay, click here for a full list of start dates for all programs. So you can also click here to see. All right, so I don't want to make this video so long. Academy Canada has monthly start dates in most of our program. August and December are only months in which we don't accept new students. Please click here or download the PDF below for a complete list of our upcoming starts. So I don't think you need to download it except if you feel it's necessary. So just for you to apply and then get started. So guys, if you like this video, give it a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe to Legit, and please share this video to as many people as possible for them to also benefit. Thank you, and see you in my other video. Bye and all the best, and don't forget to write all your worries or your questions in the comment section.